Welcome back, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 6, data editing and formatting in the Calc. Okay, so first we will work on basic worksheet operations in Calc. In that we can do some operations like how to create new worksheet. Then we will learn save the worksheet, whatever we have done in that. After that we have to save our work for the future reference. Then existing worksheet means yesterday or day before we have created a new worksheet and we want to work again in that, then we have to open that. So how to do that we will learn in this lecture also. Then if no use of that particular sheet, then we will close it also. After that we will learn sometimes we want to change the name of worksheet, then we need to rename that. Then we learn how to change the tab colors, and if you want to insert another worksheet in the same workbook or spreadsheet, then how we can do it there. And then if it is unnecessary and we want to delete that, then how we can delete this. So ultimately we will learn in this chapter new, save, open, close, rename, tab color, insert and delete on the worksheets. So let's start the software first, and I have already opened that, so I will just play. In the previous session we have done this bill. Okay, now we are going to create a new worksheet number 3. Here it is. Now I want to create a new sheet first, so I will click here this empty part, and this it will ask us the new worksheet, new sheet. I have two options, before current sheet and after current sheet. Means our last selected sheet was sheet number 4, and if you want to before the sheet number 4 means it will be between 3 and 4, and if you want to that in here, then we can select the before the current sheet. But if you want to insert after the sheet number 4, then we have to click after current sheet. Okay, so it will be added after the sheet number 4. Okay, now new sheet we are going to insert. That is what is now how many sheets you want. Number of sheets means here right now we want only 1, but if you want to add at the same time 4, 5 or 6 sheet at the same time, then you can change it. Okay, but right now we are going to add only 1 sheet. Now name of the sheet. So here sheet number 4 is there, then the default will be sheet number 5. Okay, if you want to change it, you can change. That is called my new sheet. Okay, and then click on OK. So here you can see the sheet after sheet number 4's my new sheet is appear. But where is our previous to sheet? It is deleted. No, it is not deleted, it is hidden. So how to check? It is here, you can see, click here one by one. So sheet number 2, sheet number 3 will be appear. But if you want to display all the sheet tab at the same time, then we can decrease the size of this scroll bar, vertical scroll bar. Okay, now you can see first our first program, then sheet number 2, sheet number 4, sheet number 5. Okay, if you want to change, then we can change. So this way we can insert a new sheet. Now next, if you want to delete a sheet, okay, I don't want this sheet, so what to do? Right click on that, and we have a here option to click on the delete. So click on the delete. It will ask you, are you sure you want to delete the selected sheet? Yes, we want to delete. So here we can see it is deleted. Okay, now then after we are going to add another sheet again, so we can add it. Right click on that, here you have option insert new sheet, otherwise we can click here empty part, it will be appear. Similarly here we can type the name here, my new sheet. Okay, and then click OK. So here you can create. If you want to create another one, you can create it. Okay, now we can save it also. Now suppose we have already saved this, now we want to change the location. Okay, so we have to click on save as, or we can press Ctrl Shift and S to save as. After clicking on that, it will ask you where you want to save. Suppose I want to change the location, then you can change the location, and after that you can type the name whatever you want to change it. Okay, so it is called the rename of the size, but I want to keep same, so it will be remain same. So this way we can close it. Now I don't want to work with this. Okay, so what to do? I want to close this existing sheet. Okay, so to close this worksheet, we have to select it and click on the close. So you can see it is closed now. Now again we want to open it same, so we are working on the spreadsheet, so click on the spreadsheet and the empty spreadsheet will appear, but we want to work on the same. Okay, so we'll go to the file and click on the open, and we have to select our spreadsheet which we have saved here. Okay, so look at that here one by one. Otherwise we can right click on, then group by the type. So similar type file will be appear here. This is the Chrome files class file, different file. This is Java files. Photos are there, and here Microsoft 2003 means old versions are there, and here you can see the new versions are there. Okay, MS Office, PowerPoint, and then ODS is there. Now here we can see standard 10 JSBT is here. Now click here and click on open. So wait for a while and it will be appear. Right, see it is appeared here. See, getting. Now if you want to move, you can move it all the sheets one by one. Like I want to move to the last, so select it and drag it to last. Okay, I want to move the sheet, new sheet first, so you can hold it and drag it to the left or right, but I want to back it again on the top first, so we can first it. Okay, so this way we can do, we can ordering it, we can arrange it also. Okay, if you want to rename it, you can right click on and then click on the rename. You can change the name of sheet also. Okay, now next is we are going to change the color of this tab. Okay, to change the sheet color, okay, it is very simple. So what to do, so we can click on here, right click here, and we have here tab color option, and you can select the particular tab color. So you can see here opening, right click here, then click on the tab color and particular color and click OK. Right click here, sheet tab, and then check the particular color, select it and OK. Similarly right click tab color, and you can specify the specific color, and see this way we can change the tab color also. So these are the basic part of the worksheet, and how to insert the worksheet and how to delete, already we have learned this. And suppose if you want to delete entire worksheet, then you can delete it. For example, I want to delete this one, so right click on this and click on the delete sheet option. Second way, you can go to the edit. From the edit we have different options of sheets, so click on the sheet and you can click on the delete. So if you click on the delete, it will ask you, do you want to delete the selected sheet? Yes, so here it is deleted. But if you want to back it, press Ctrl Z, so you can back it again. So students, this is all the basic operations on the worksheet, how to create, save, delete, rename, tab color, arrange the tab color. Okay, this is the basic part. After this session we are going to learn about the rows and column level operations. So till then, thank you, bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to your friends also. Okay.